Good morning friends, my name is Yashvardhan. Today I am here to present my essay of SST, a documentary of chapter 1, Resources. Resources are things that fulfill human needs. For example, when we feel thirsty, we drink water, we use electricity in our homes, and we use rickshaw or other means of transport to travel. When we are hungry, we eat food. So all these things serve a purpose for us are called resources. Anything that has utility or usefulness is considered a resource. Another important aspect is value. Value means worth. Value can mean different things. Some resources have economic value like metals, while some have non-economic value like beautiful landscape. But both type of value are important. Two things are essential to turn something into a resource: time and technology. Humans themselves are also an important resource. It is because of our intelligence, knowledge, invention, and discoveries that we can create and discover even more resources. For example, the discovery of wheel led to the development of various means of transport. There are three types of resources. Resources are classified into three main types: natural resources, human-made resources, and human resources. Natural resources. These are resources that we get from nature and use in our daily life. For example, air which we breathe, water from the river and lakes, soil, oil, and minerals. Natural resources can be further classified into two more categories: renewable resources. These can be replenished or renewed quickly. Some are unlimited, like sunlight and wind. No matter how much we use them, they are always available. However, not renewable resources are unlimited. For example, water is renewable, but if we waste, it can lead to shortages as seen in many countries. Non-renewable resources. These are available in limited stocks. Once they used up, they take thousands of years to form again, like petroleum and natural gas. Also, the distribution of natural resources is uneven. Some countries have plenty while some have very few. Non-renewable resources can be in limited stocks. If they vanish, they take millions of years to form again. Human-made resources. Sometimes natural things become resources only when their form is changed. For instance, iron ore was useful until people discovered how to extract and use it iron form it. Then when it become a valuable resource. Humans use natural resources to make buildings, bridges, roads, machinery, and tools. These are human-made resources. Human resources. We as humans can be best use of resources because we have knowledge, skills, and technology. That's why humans begin themselves consider resources. When we improve people's skills through education and healthcare, so they can create or use more resources. It is called human resource development. And the department of function within an organization responsible for managing and supporting its force work. And any person who is compensated for supplying skills or knowledge to help organization to achieve its business goals. Conserving resources. Using resources carefully and giving them time to replenish is called resource conservation. If we use up everything carelessly, future generation may not have anything left. So the idea of sustainable development is to use resources wisely, ensuring their availability for future generation. Ways to conserve resources: reduce, reuse, and recycle materials. The future of our planet, all life depends on it. How responsible we use resources. It's our duty use renewable resources wisely, maintain the diversity of life, and minimize. Thank you and have a nice day. The earth will continue to regenerate its life sources only as long. Thank you.